Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Menards and MTH electric trains. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Menards has introduced a new standalone 18-volt 5-amp DC power supply for train layouts. The power supply provides a constant 18 volts and it is designed to work in conjunction with Menards O-Gauge tubular track with lock-on. The power supply will work with Menards and other remote-operated locomotives, but not with conventional transformer-controlled locomotives. The power supply is priced at $29.99 before rebates, and the 10-inch straight tubular track section with lock-on is priced at $9.99. Menards has also introduced a new 9-piece plug-and-play lighting accessory kit. Included in the kit are 2 LED tape light strips, 3 Y-splitters, a 4-way splitter cord, and a 3-foot, 4-foot, and 5-foot extension cable for use with Menards plug-and-play structures and vehicles. The kit is priced at $19.99 before rebates. Matching 4.5-volt power supplies are not included, but are also available from Menards. MTH electric trains will be releasing the 2025 Premier O-Scale F7 diesel locomotive in Boston and Maine, Southern, CP Rail, Kansas City Southern, and Southern Pacific colors next spring. These locomotives will be available in Powered A, non-powered A, and non-powered B unit configurations, allowing users to build consist configurations from a single A unit to an ABBA set. Each item will be limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in May 2025. Powered A units have a suggested retail price of $549.95, while non-powered A units are priced at $249.95, and non-powered B units are listed at $229.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot streamlined passenger car set in New Hope and Ivanland Railroad colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch. The cars will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2025. The set features 2 coaches, a dining car, and an observation car. The early order price is $349.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale J-Class Northern steam locomotive in Chessie system colors for MTH retailer Patrick's Trains. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in January 2025. The early order price is $1499.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale R50B Express Reefer in Norfolk and Western colors for distribution by The Train Loft. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The early order price is $89.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in Bush Terminal Railroad colors with Mrs. Stahl's trailers. Available in limited quantities, the cars mark another release in the long line of MTH offerings by the NJ High Railers. The cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in February 2025. The pre-order price is $99.95 with free freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale 40-foot steel-sided power meter car in Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The pre-order price is $74.99. And MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive modern tank car decorated for Trump Oil for Train World. The car will be offered in 2 road numbers and is expected to arrive in April 2025. The early order price is $79.99 each. Also for Train World, MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive crane car decorated for New York City in 2 car numbers. The cars are expected to arrive in April 2025 with an early order price of $79.99 each. And a quick programming note, there will be no new episode of This Week in O Gauge next Tuesday, Christmas Eve. We will resume our regular posting schedule on December 31st to ring in 2025. Our regular long-format Toy Train Tips and Tricks episode number 212 is scheduled to be published this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time as normal. So keep the trains running, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year!